AB 760 is very simple. It would impose a 5-cent per bullet tax on ammunition. The bill would dedicate the revenue raised by virtue of the tax to an existing school-based early mental health intervention and prevention grant program, or as it's known, EMHI. The program treats young children's mild and moderate mental health problems before they become serious mental health issues in later school years. Now, we know gun violence is a disturbingly prevalent part of what goes on in our state as well as our nation. According to the FBI, California had the highest number of total gun deaths out of any state last year, accounting for 68% of all gun murders in the United States. Approximately 5,700 people were either hospitalized or killed due to guns in California during 2011. Over 600,000 guns were sold in California last year, and in California, it's estimated that the sale of ammunition, of bullets, may be as high as 1.2 billion each year. 1.2 billion each year. According to researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health, the use of guns and ammunition in acts of violence creates externalities, as economists like to call them, that cost more than $600 per person in this country based on assault-related gunshot injuries and homicides. What that means, put a little bit more simply, is that for every one of us, we pay $600 a year for injuries, deaths, the costs associated with public safety, health, and other matters related to gun violence. According to the research, at least 75% of the medical costs for firearms injuries are paid by all of us as taxpayers. So imposing a small, modest tax on ammunition will produce a more valid reflection of the purchase price of the true societal costs of gun ownership. And we know that taxing ammunition can provide a stable source of revenue to meaningfully target gun violence prevention and reduce these external costs.